and as you can see, it has been confirmed. Remove liquidity confirmed, guys. So next thing you do, you're going to check out the profit that you just made. Click on your Phantom wallet over here. This is my favorite moment, and boom. $1,300, guys. Nobody knows how to launch Memecoins the right way, and I'm gonna show you step by step how you can make insane profits doing this. I already have what I dreamed of, so you can just copy my exact message, guys, and this message will work for at least another month. So profit from it while you can. If I made almost 400,000 with this method, you can too. So first out with this method, you need to launch your Memecoin on a Raydium exchange. And I will show you live on screen how people are going to buy our random Memecoin with this method. The majority of the people is launching on a Pump.Fun exchange, guys, and it's not worth it at all. As you can see, there are so many Memecoins being launched on Pump.Fun and the market is completely oversaturated. As you can see, every second there is a Memecoin being launched, so how are you going to stand out among those Memecoins? Now, if we take a look at Raydium exchange, we can see that this is the key to success, guys. I mean, there is way less competition in the last 15 minutes. Only 8 Memecoins have been launched while on Pump.Fun. This would have been like over 100 already. So buyers are way more likely to see your coin and buy it, right? And as you can see, all coins here reach chick numbers. But the thing is that if you want to launch on Raydium, you need to know how to code. Like when I started out, I found out about Solana tokenlabs.io, and they allow you to launch your coin on Raydium without doing any coding, guys. So that's just crazy because now we have access to this complete market. While this is normally only available to people who know how to code. And because of that, buyers will buy your coin because they think that there is a developer Steam behind the coin. So let's just launch a Memecoin together, and I will show you live on screen how ridiculously easy this method is if you know how to do it. So to start out, get yourself a design on Canva from 500 by 500 pixels, find yourself a funny image about animals, and save it to your computer. I found this image about the Moor with the safety helmet, and we are just going to name this Save More. So now you have to go to solanatokenlabs.io. I just discovered something incredible with solanatokenlabs.io. It finally provides a way to launch on Raydium without needing any coding skills. The process is extremely straightforward. Simply answer a few guided prompts, and you're ready to go. After thorough testing, I can confidently confirm it works reliably. Let's get straight into the tutorial and mint our token right now. For this project, I'm using this image. Resize the image to exactly 128 by 128 pixels. Download it and you'll be prepared for the next step. Now return to solanatokenlabs.io and connect your wallet. A prompt will appear asking for authorization. Simply approve it to proceed. Next, you'll fill in your token details. I'm naming the token Save More and its symbol is Save More, also for better branding and memorability. Upload the resized logo you prepared earlier, click Next and continue with the process. When you reach the token settings page, do not change anything. For the description, I'm entering Save Water. The default configuration is ideal. The supply is set to a full 1 billion tokens, which we will need later for growth and liquidity. Click Next to continue. The following section will offer the option to add social media links. You can safely skip this step. Based on multiple tests, social links have not been necessary for successful Raydium launches. Click Skip and move on. After that, you'll see a screen asking if you want to add creator information and a project website. However, doing so costs 0.1 Solana. In my opinion, it's not a good investment at this stage. Toggle the option off, skip it, and proceed. Now you'll reach one of the most important features, the custom token address option. Solana Token Labs allows you to add popular suffixes like pump or moon to your token address. This small detail can make a big difference, giving your token the appearance of having launched via Pump.Fun, which boosts credibility and attracts early investors. If you put moon or pump-like suffix having 4 alphabets, it will take around 20 minutes to update on solanatokenlabs.io. So if you want to avoid long wait while creating your coin, add PM or MO like 2 alphabets in small. Moving forward, you will see 3 critical toggles. Pay very close attention here. Ensure that all 3 options remain enabled. If you disable revoke freeze, it means you would have the ability to freeze trading anytime, a major red flag for investors. If you disable revoke mint, it allows unlimited token minting, another massive red flag. If you disable revoke update, it means you could alter the contract at any time, extremely dangerous for investor trust. Sophisticated investors always check for these vulnerabilities. If they detect any of them, they will immediately avoid your token. To maintain trust and transparency, leave every toggle activated. Now click Create Token. Your wallet will prompt you for final approval. Confirm the transaction with one click, and your token will officially go live on the Solana blockchain. So next thing you have to do is create a liquidity pool. So you just go back to solanatokenlabs.io, click on the second option, and it will lead us to Raydium. Now over here you can see the initial liquidity, we see the base token over here, so just click it, go back to solanatokenlabs.io, copy your token address, and now we want to paste our token address over here. So we can add our token to the pool, just fill in your symbol and your name as well, click on add user token, click on your meme coin, and there it is. Right now we want to add a supply, which I recommend to be 900 million. Now the quote token over here should be Solana, guys. Just click on Solana and you can put all your Solana in the liquidity pool, because you will not lose this, because you are the first buyer of your meme coin. Just lower it a bit, like 0.2, because that's the creation fee of creating the pool on Raydium. And now you go to fee tier and you put it on 2%, guys. And by the way, it's not necessary to put 2 Solana in the liquidity pool. You can also do like 0.5 or even less. Now just click initialize liquidity pool. And over here a wallet will pop up again. We just click on confirm over here. Now this will take a second and you will see that the pool has been created successfully, guys. Now the next thing, we want to go to Photon and we will see that our meme coin has been created successfully, right? So we go to Photon over here and we filter for Raydium. And as you can see, over here a meme coin is live on Raydium. And this is the moment where buyers were coming, guys. So now we want to copy our token address over here and we go to dexscreener.com, because we want to see the chart of our coin, right? So whenever you are on DexScreener, you just click on any random meme coin over here, and then we want to replace this token address with our token address, right? So just replace it, press enter, and this will load the chart of your meme coin. So here we are. This is the chart of Save More, and now the buyers will come in, guys. As a matter of fact, we already have some buyers. Some might be bots and some might be real persons, as you can see those. Amounts are very small, but whenever we scroll to the downside of the order book over here, so let me just call to the downside over here, we see that we already have some small buyers, but I will show you guys whenever we have a bigger buyer. And boom, one big green candle. As you guys can see, this is one big buy. It's, how many is it? $264 with almost 2 Solana. And that's a great style, guys. And we're just going to zoom out the chart a little bit, and this is just how this method works, guys. It's crazy. People are thinking that you are a sick developer or something like this, and buyers are coming in. And as usual, we are having some bots that are buying, and boom. There we go, another buy, guys, 10 seconds ago. $170 and 1.2 Solana, almost 1.3 Solana. And some other small buyers which seem to be bots as well, but every buy is welcome. We have a nice order book already and we're just gonna aim for more. And the sick part, like I thought earlier in my other videos, you can just do this over and over again, guys. Look at this, $260, almost 2 Solana again. That's another great buy. So what I was about to tell you, you can just do this method over and over again because there's no limits, right? There's no need for any marketing. Whenever you launch a coin, take your profit. You just launch the next one and it's easy as that, guys. Now we have one sick last buy over here. And I think this will be the last buy because we are going to take out the liquidity of this thing. And we are just going to look at this another buy even a few seconds later, $67. But yeah, what I was about to tell you, we are going to take the liquidity out of this thing and we're going to put all the profit in our pocket. So this is the exact method that the big guys are using, and maybe they do it with marketing. But as you can see, even without marketing, which is just way faster and way more efficient for me, and you just do this over and over again, like there is no limit, guys. So to take out the liquidity, you just go to Raydium over here and you will see a minus button over here. Just click it and then slide this thing all the way up to the right to 100%. And you just click on remove liquidity over here, guys, and your wallet will pop up. Just click on confirm. And now we have to wait for a little bit. And as you can see, it has been confirmed. Remove liquidity confirmed, guys. So next thing you do, you're going to check out the profit that you just made. Click on your Phantom wallet over here. This is my favorite moment, and boom. $1,300, guys, while we started with like 200. And like I said, you can even start with way less money. Just, this method is crazy. I keep saying it. It keeps on working, and take advantage of it while it lasts, guys, because those messes, they will not last forever.